Hi guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I will show how to use live stickers for After Effects from EasyEditpro. Let's get started. So friends, this is Live Stickers 5 version, contains 800 unique animated stickers in 16 different categories which will make your video colorful and fun. We can edit and redesign all stickers, it's very easy. Also we can change time duration, quickly preview all stickers, change colors or style of the stickers. And finally, face tracking, another useful feature of Live Stickers version 5. Easily track the selected stickers to your face to look fun. And any feature update this project with new stickers will be free for a lifetime. Okay, very nice, and love stickers. And sound effects. There are more sound effects for animations. Okay, that's good. So let's try these all animations. So first one, let's select this my chick video. Let's move to inside my composition. Okay, and let's select Easy Edit Viewer. Let's put here. Okay, and let's open emoji folders. Okay, let's use this emoji. Let's click and waiting for import. And this is Essential Graphics. I can change settings here. Let's first change scale 25 and let's move to left, and let's close FX presets and also these presets. Okay, very nice. And let's change some settings. We can change rotation. Let's change rotation like this. Let's change 68. Okay, very easy. And let's open emoji composition. We can also change here, say controllers, and let's go to FX control, and we can change scale here like this, and rotation and point like this. Very easy and very friendly interface for control these animations. Also delete this video, back to project, and let's select this animation. Let's move to inside my composition. This is alpha channel animation, and let's go to backgrounds. Let's select this background. Let's use, click for import, and move to left this background. Let's see, nice. And select this background, move to behind my animation. Nice, very good. Again, we can change here all settings with Essential Graphics. Also, we can change this animation transition. Let's change this too, and let's go to back. We have more transitions. Let's change this one. Let's see. Nice. Let's change this 3. Okay, very nice. So friends, I want to show how to use face tracking. First, go to click new composition, add name face, and click OK. Then go to Easy Edit Viewer and click face tracker, and let's click here for create face tracker composition. Okay, and let's open face tracker composition. So right now we have two composition, U video and U looks. I will add here my video and I will add here my looks or emojis. Let's open U videos and select this stock video. Let's move to inside here. Let's press S, change scale. Okay, and let's go to 5 seconds. Press N for select work area, and let's right mouse, select trim, come to work area. Okay, let's close composition and let's make masking. And let's go to here, again press N for select work area, again make someone. Okay, so right now select this my composition, go to mask, and let's make masking face like this. Okay, nice. And click selection tool. Let's open inside here. Open mask 1 and select this mask 1. Let's change this none. Okay, and let's right mouse, click track mask. Okay, nice. Then go to window and open here this for face tracking. Let's select this mask 1 and go to here, change method face tracking detailed features and click play button for face masking. Okay, let's wait for full face mask. Okay, nice. Let's see. Okay, that's good. Also, we can see here face tracing points or keyframes. Let's close these settings. Then go to here, click set rest pose. Then click extract copy button for extracting keyframes. Okay, nice. So let's open ulooks. Let's open looks folder, and I want to use cartoon eyes. Okay, that's good. Or this, let's click. Nice, let's see. Okay, let's move to leftist compensation. Okay, very nice. So let's back to compensation face tracking, and let's select this controllers quit layer and click this checkbox, and this checkbox, let's see. Nice, and change size and move to up. Okay, let's animation. Okay, funny.